A type of haiku. The little fishing boats alight the dawn. A morning devotion, ablution, the estuarial march, essence. A waxing moon in the shape of an ovum. Bettystown Beach. The amalgam I found today was volcanic and a cluster of broken hearts interwoven and shining, Rodinesque. The clouds, Aristophanes, are reflective of low-setting sun. The throb of the sea in the silent hush of a Christmas Eve. A gull, limp and seemingly overweight, somehow balances on driftwood in the estuarial ferment. The high tide edges ever more precariously nearer the graveyard. The plough is a dagger for the muddied, bloodied earth. The big water moon floats away over the sea. Mornington mudflats on the estuarial basin, the marsh birds are enveloped by a new creation every day. In the hours before dawn, the stars twinkle madly, oblivious to carousing satellites. After McCluskey's, a bakery, a type of celestial studio, fast hands, foreign lands, perfect creations, yet devastatingly simple. The beginning of a crack in a plant pot will become a fissure, and then a gap like Glan or Donegal, where a river runs through. Death appears as a hint, a glint of light on the horizon, the quiet echo of waves in caves. Venus, morning star, shining brighter than any earthen white silver. Crows, high up, weave scrawled script in the Mornington ether. There is me, a veritable fragile centre of the universe, and this Gaia planet hurtling through its orbit elliptical. Clouds have gathered and lain in heaps above the Canigou, and the peaks zigzag for mile after high mile in a solitary mountain fastness. The dawn scored a line on the far horizon, heavy with sea. A steady breeze lifts the sand like a sheet, sending a cloud of smoke, yellow-brown, mustard-coloured, headed for the water towards Argelès and further Collioure, Port-Ventre and Bagnoul-sur-Mer. The entire sky in motion, denoting a cosmic battle. A plane headed north flies into the plough. Above, the Pleiades, Triangulum and Winkin Cassiopeia. High road. Marsh birds hovering, white and brown alternating, day majestic blue, memories of seeking the shamrock. West African sunshine, by times obfuscated by harmattan-induced sand clouds. Gorse, burnished yellow, tied out, webbed tracks on the clobber. Stone, water, sun, moon, light, then darkness, then the eternal things. Lilies burst forth, Easter Tuesday, 7 stars, the plough, Orion's 7 sisters. Easy to imagine the sun-kissed shores of Euboea and Cumae after revisiting Aeneid Book 6. Hard not to see more than cloud-clad horizon. Sky theatre, study in luminosity, unfolding above the rolling waves and gliding water, the Perseids. Sunrise. A diamond fit for a king becomes a ring, then a molten orb of old gold singing. Faithful incoming tide, heavy, too heavy, dark, oily, brooding, 93 million mile friend and accompanying moon. Survival. 7 illuminated boats before the horizon, the scary sky, burnished orange-red, scatters Nakuru flamingo pink over the sand, seabirds appearing, lost, survive the frost. White waves buffeting the fractured coastline, ancient roar of the crashing water. Birds on the perfect wing, the swan off the marsh road is reflected in the sky. Cygnus. Cataclysmic motion, bruised storm clouds threaten the horizon. Spray runs the gauntlet. The domino effect. It's how the surfer gets off. Riding sings waves. One has to deconstruct everything before saying or doing anything. Who empties the estuarial basin? Who runs the ebb and flow tide? Who considers the neap tides?